Everyone's so tied up with Halloween and getting ready for this holiday that my store has become a ghost town, and I'm getting really scared. I'm Billy Lubbers, and I need to get live bodies in the door now. That's why I'm helping you drive for $5. Drive a nicer, newer car for only $5 down. Plus, trade in any vehicle, dead or alive, and we'll send you home in a nicer, newer vehicle for only $5 down. And my For the People credit approval process works hard to get you a car. Hurry, Drive for $5 ends on Halloween. I'm Billy Lubbers, and I am a dealer for the people.